Hello friends, today we learn single dimension array and we'll see how to get the sum of all the array elements. Alright, so I mean to say if I have an array of 5, right, so it will have the 5 values. Okay, we need to get the summation of all of these 5 value. So how to do that? No, first of all, we have to put the value inside the array, right? So we have two ways. One is statically, we can put the 5 values here, right? Like this way. Any value you can put. Already put 5 values. This is statically. And if you don't need to put static value, then you have to get a for loop, right? So first we'll see with the static value, then we'll go with the dynamic value, right? Okay, so very well. So this value will be fetched how? Now ARR of 0, right? And this value will be fetched in program, that is by ARR of 1. Then this one ARR of 2, and this one ARR of 3, this one ARR of 5 4, sorry, 4, right? So last index is 4 because the size of array is 5, right? So if this is a dynamic, then we directly we will create a loop, right? So for loop I will have integer. See, this is 0 and this is less than 5. Less than 5 means 4, right? So 0 to 4. So I can have this way all the index, right? So what is the value of uh, array 0? So this one the 0, right? So what actually we need to do? We need to do like this way. What I actually need, right? So see, your program is done in a single line. What I did here, now I have a static array 10, 11, 22, 13, 54, right? So we need to add all 5 values. So this is my first value, ARR of 0, ARR of 1, 2, 3, 4, and I plus, right? So first element will be added with the second element, then first and second will be added, right? So this will you can have the result, right? So first we'll check. Okay, mm, dot slash p30, right? See, 110, right? So 110 is the result I got, right? So the program is done here. Okay, but if it is 5, right? So if it is 10, then I have to access all the element like this way, right? ARR 0, ARR 1, 2, 3. I have to write manually a lot, right? So what I need to do, inside the loop I will put the index which will be automatically incremented by 1. So first, see, this is the for loop, right? So in the I is I am treated I as an index. So if I put over here, so what will happen? The ARRI means the first element, right? That is 10, right? And then the next iteration I will be 1. That means ARR1, that means 11, right? So this way, so every element will be fetched by this variable when the loop will be executed 5 times. Got it? So what I need to do? I need to do to add this one into another variable. Let's check. I need a sum equal to 0, right? See, if I have the sum, then what I will do? The sum plus equal to, right? Or in a long expression, sum equal to sum plus, both are same, right? What I did, now sum plus arr I means 0. So first element will be added with the sum. So sum first time 0. So if it is 0, then the whole value is 0 plus 10, right? Then the new sum is updated with 10. So now the new sum is 10. Then the loop iteration again will execute it for second time, and second value is 11, right? So this is 11 and the old sum was 10. So 10, 11, 21. So the latest sum will be 21. So this way all the elements will be automatically added to a specific summation value, right? So these are the two lines, same lines. You can use this one or you can use this one. So I'm commenting anyone you can comment, right? Okay. So when the loop will be perfectly executed, a loop will be terminated, then my control will be over here, right? So in this position I will print the sum. So equal to sum. That's it. Let's see the same answer, right? So this way we can put the sum of all the elements. Okay. So okay, but if you don't want the with the static value, then what we will do? You will remove this line and you have to put five values. So then I need to help them, the for loop again. So for loop, what I did over here now, a sorry, this one the array name. So arr, whatever name you can pass, percentage a. This is totally format, right? So ARR and subscription bracket, then percentage D. So percentage D and the value of percentage D will be changed with the value of I. So what actually printf will print ARR0 equal to, that's it. Then I'll use the scanf function. So scanf ARR of I. That means, and we need the address sign, right? So this is the address sign I need over here. So I'll put into the first block address, right? So this way we can, uh, the pass five values when the loop will be executed. So let's check, and then after, uh, the array will be prepared with the value. So then we need another loop to execute the summation of each and every elements, right? See, this is the format I actually printed ARR0. This is nothing, just to for the visual purpose. So here I'll put the number 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. As I enter, the control will over here, right? So control will again will have a loop five times iteration, and each and every time it will get the array number one by one, and it will put the array number in a sum, right? So let's say, so it's done, sum is 15. Got this? Okay. So this way you can do. If you don't use this scanf, you can use this one also. See, this is the pointer point of view. So, and this one is index point of view. So anyone you can use, right? So just use this one. This one is simple one, right? So this is the program which I actually wanted to display. Okay, if I say I want to display the sum of all the odd numbers inside the array. So what I will do? So I will put randomly a number, right, into the five blocks. So sum of maybe odd numbers, sum of maybe the even numbers, right? So after inserting value into 5 blocks randomly, right? Then I will check which number is odd number. If these number are odd, then I need to sum. What it means? Now this sum will capture only the odds number, right? So what I need to do for to do that one? No, we need to check this value whenever it is going to be added into some variable. We need to check this variable whether it is odd number or not. That's it. So what I will do, I will put a if condition. So how to check whether this number is odd or not? So the modulus operator will be used. So modulus 2, right? I need to check odd, right? So equal to 1, right? So whatever the number, block number, array block number, modulus 2 equal to 1, that means this number is a odd number, right? Got it? Now, if this is a odd number, then I need to capture this number and I will make the put in the sum variable, right? So that's it. So this way you can capture all the odd numbers. So let's say हम यहाँ क्या दे सकते हैं sum of इस तरह से. So now check. Let me clear my screen first. Okay. So just I'll go. I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's say 1, 3, and 5. These are the odd number, right? So 1, 3 equal to 4. 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 4. So 4 or 5, 9. So it will display 9. Okay. So I got the result of all odds, right? So this way you can have all the events number also, right? So 0, if you put 0, that means this number is fully divided by 2. That means this number is even number, and then only we can add this number to the sum variable, right? So here the caption I will change even. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Let's check. So the sum of all even number is 6, right? So this is the program actually we wanted to display with the array elements, right? So all type of summation, the all element summation, all odds number summation, and all even number summations are covered in this lesson, right? So that's it for today lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks.